Okay, I need to put my cap on for this tip, just to keep the sun out of my eyes, and that's the tip. With board boxes, while they come in all shapes and sizes to fit everything from a blue tit right up to an owl, the secret of success to get your board to nest in that box season after season is to make sure that when it comes out to leave the box, it's not blinded by the sun. That's not an aspect it likes. Put your board boxes in dapple shade or full-on shade, and you're guaranteed that your boards will return each year. So not only will your garden centre stock all shapes and sizes of board feeder, they will stock all different varieties of board food. Now, this feed here in particular is an all-year feed, so it works in any particular season. You don't have to wait till autumn till you start putting birds on your radar. You can feed them all year round. And most of these are just so easy to fill. They're protected at the base so that squirrels and other rodents won't get in at them, and it means that you will be able to feed your board year round. Of course, you can make fat balls and suet balls and other different varieties of natural food for your birds. And at this time of the year in autumn, don't just think about putting out the kind of corn and grain based. Birds like a bit of protein too. So if you can go to your garden centre this weekend or next weekend and take a look at the plants that are actually berrying. That's where birds will get their proteins. And lots of the berry plants that are around at this time of the year are also a natural medicine for birds that prepares them for winter time. So complement, when you're trying to bring birds into your garden, make that connection between a feed that will feed them and your shrubs that not only will it feed them and provide them with a medicine, but provides them with a home and a resting place to make the garden more attractive for birds to come in and feed in the first place.